Hi, I am Elena Morgan from Future You Health. Doctors blame salt for high blood pressure, but new research shows sugar damages your brain's blood vessels 3x faster, and one raw kitchen ingredient eaten before meals reverses it in 6 weeks. Doctors blame salt for high blood pressure, but new research shows sugar damages your brain's blood vessels 3x faster, and one raw kitchen ingredient eaten before meals reverses it in 6 weeks. Here's what nobody tells you. The official dietary guidelines focused on sodium for decades. But when Harvard researchers actually measured vessel damage, sugar was the bigger threat all along. So I dug into the peer-reviewed data. 7 specific foods kept showing up across independent studies. Not superfoods, not supplements, just real foods, eaten the right way. First, hibiscus tea. The Journal of Human Hypertension found it lowers systolic pressure by 7.2 millimeters on average. That rivals some prescription medications. Second, raw beet juice. It contains inorganic nitrates that convert to nitric oxide inside your arteries. Your blood vessels physically relax and widen within 3 hours. But here's the detail that surprised researchers. The peak effect hits exactly 2 to 3 hours after drinking it. Timing matters more than quantity. Third, garlic, but not cooked garlic. You must crush or chop it. Then wait 10 full minutes before heating. Skip that step and you destroy 90% of its active compound allicin. Fourth, extra virgin olive oil, but not any bottle. Autumn harvested varieties contain the highest polyphenols. Spring harvest oils lose 60% of these compounds through oxidation. Fifth, potassium-rich sweet potatoes. They counteract sodium's grip on your blood vessel walls, but eat them between meals, not with food. Mealtime absorption drops 30%. Sixth, mackerel. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. But here's what the study revealed. Your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio must reach 3 to 1. Most Western diets sit at 16 to 1. Seventh, tart cherry juice. What nobody talks about is its anthocyanins reduce arterial stiffness, the hidden driver behind resistant high blood pressure that doesn't respond to medication alone. Now, please talk to your doctor before making any changes. These foods support heart health, but they don't replace professional medical guidance. The one thing you can start today that your future self will thank you for is crushing 1 garlic clove every morning. Let it rest 10 minutes, then add it to whatever you're eating. Not because garlic is a miracle cure, but because that 10-minute pause builds a daily habit of protecting your arteries, 1 meal at a time. Over 6 weeks, the data shows it compounds. If this changed how you think about blood pressure, hit subscribe. Drop your current reading in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm Elena Morgan. Remember, your arteries are listening to every meal you eat. Let's make them hear something good. See you next time.